Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's just talk about the solidworks cam turning operation. This is a cylindrical part and I just want to make the G codes, or what actually you can call it, the CNC program for this part as well, inside solidworks cam. I just modeled this part with the help of feature and revolve feature, and right now I just jump right into the solidworks cam. Okay, first thing is just I want to define the machine, and here I will talk about the turn machine and turn single turret, and I will select it. Next thing is just I want to click on the tool crib. Right now I have a tool crib having 9 tools, and the first crib is empty. I'll select the second one and I want to select this tool crib. Post processor I want to select as the 2-axis, because in simple lathe there is no y-axis, just we have the x-axis and z-axis. Z-axis is always that axis from that the tool is come to cut the material, right? So once you're done the post processor, I want to select this one and I want to hit OK. Once you select this post processor, actually the G codes will be created for this type of post processor. Next is just define the coordinate system, the MCS, machine 0, or whatever you can call it for this one. Click on the machine coordinate system, and the solidworks cam automatically detect what actually you can see as a center line detected by the small balls is defined as the check line, in which actually this part will be hold to the check, right? So as you can see over here, my z-axis is perfectly defined, x-axis is perfectly defined, and I want to hit OK. Now I want to define the raw material, the stock, and sometimes you can call it the blank as well in certain softwares, right? So what I can do, I don't want to do any facing operations, but what I can do, you can add materials to the material section. You can add material to the facing operations. For example, if I define 2 mm, what this time will be happening is will be considered the facing operation as well. We'll do it and see what's happening. And for this side, I'm adding materials of at least this much, 70 or 100 mm, for example, because I'm going to make the same part again and again. So I have long bar, I have the long billet, and I don't have any difficulty to select this one, and I want to hit OK, right? Once you select the stock, then you need to define the turn setup. So I want to reverse it, because the tool will come in this direction and will come to the negative x-axis to remove the material to get the final product. And once I click OK, next what I can do, I'll just extract machinable features. This one actually what will be the operations. For example, turn OD rough, turn OD finish in some of the G01 and G02, G03 codes will be created, and I will just extract machinable features. Right now, we just extracted the machinable features. I want to generate the operation plan and generate the tool path. And when I click on the simulate tool path, as you can see over here, that's fine. And I want to simulate. Let me just slow the speed so that you can just see the facing operation is done. And see, this is the OD rough, and again at last we have the parting tool, and I'm just happy with this. Once you're done with all the operations, then what you can do is just click on this, and whatever you can do is just to click on the post processor, because we have defined the post processor here at the beginning. And I'll just click on the TIFF file and I want to save it. Now you have to simulate, and I want to hit OK. And this is what actually the face rough, as you can see over here, the different operations, and this is the G code, the CNC program that you can just load to the specific machine of the specific microcontroller to get the final product. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and it's actually for the beginners. So Thanks for watching. Good luck. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to be a part of the conversation.